effortlessly stylish people, you know, the ones who make even the simplest outfits.
Yeah, I think I know one.
Amazing, yeah. Well, our guest today is one of them. Tayla Santos is a style expert known for her curated looks on social media.
And she's even highlighted in the Black Creators Network for the Boston Celtics as well, local connection right now. But you're going to break down some looks for us, too.
Yes, of course.
Thanks for being here.
Thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me.
And look at this.
Love in the
like, this
already.
is the thing we're talking about. So simple, but so stylish.
Yes.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it.
Well, you do such a great job of blending the feminine and the masculine. So what's the secret to that?
For me, I really, really like accessories, right? Like I can have a look that could be very masculine to the eye, but adding, like for me, I love my pearls, maybe adding a heel, maybe, you know, playing with hair accessories and different like rings or bracelets. It's really all in the accessories because I love my oversized fits. So I really want to be able to bring that femininity back by adding, you know, the little touches here and there.
Right, and at the end of the day, it comes down to the individual being able to like express whatever they're trying. To do, but how did you figure out your own style?
My own style took years. It really took years. It's funny because going back and looking, like I'll see some looks and I'm like, I was almost there, right? Like I was almost there. I know what I was going for, but it wasn't there yet. But it's just years of throwing on different things. I guess my job kind of helps because I'm constantly getting ready for the camera and constantly putting together looks for my audience and providing inspo. So, you know, through years of doing that, I've noticed what I gravitate towards. And for me, I always think of the 3 C's: comfortable, casual, and chic, really.
The 3 C's, I like it.
So
3 C's, that's a good way to, I'm going to use that.
Yeah, I'll be using that as well.
Comfortable and casual, for real. And I honestly wish street style started with C because that's that's become really, really big over the chic, I think, most days because for me, I'm a big city girl. So like that street style look comes like authentically.
Yeah, I love that. All right, talking about the city, Boston, we have the Celtics here. Of course, the NBA, WNBA, those players always have stylish fits going into the tunnel. So we'll start with Jason Tatum, one of his most recent looks. And what do you think about it? Oh, here it is.
So I personally, again, casual, comfortable. This is like what he's going for here. I feel like the Celtics overall have a very laid back and comfortable look. Like they're all about the comfort, and I really, really like that. So here it looks simple to the eye, but it really has multiple layers, and not just his the physical layer, but you have the texture of the sweater, and then I always like adding interest with prints on the pants. So he has the pinstripe, which I actually have going on today. So it doesn't always have to be actual layers. I think the best thing is adding layer through texture. So
I love
fuzzy
that.
kind of like sweater thing going on, and then the pants, and then he even has some added layer with the color and the prints in his bags that he's carrying.
That's the little pops.
Yeah, the little pops. Yeah.
We have to bring up WNBA here. Connecticut Sun, New England. Olivia Nelson-Ododa, girl knows how to dress. Every time I see her, she's kind of like a you to me, right? Where it's just like
I love her
the
style.
Simplest thing. Okay. So we're gonna bring up one of her looks here and break it down for us.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's fine.
Yeah. So again, a matching set is really, really fun, but she adds so much personality with the texture in the pants, the cutouts. It's really interesting. And then also like you have a structured outfit, but adding that effortless like, you know, baseball hat. It just shows like, okay, this is easy for me. I do this every day. So it gives still that like look of comfort and it's easy. Again, layering. She's so good at layering, adding so much. She has layers physically here, but also, again, with the color and the texture and the pattern, it just adds a lot of interest and shows some personality in the outfit.
Wow.
I love it.
Well, thank you for stopping by. Quickly before we wrap up, what's your Instagram?
Oh, Tayla, SNTS. People say Tayla Saints.
Yes.
Yeah, that's where you can find me.
Amazing.
Make sure you follow her, and we'll be right back.
Yeah.
That was great.
Amazing.